Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more flux on the ones that need it. Okay, now we're going to take the hot air and we're going to reflow. There we go. You can see the chips move around when they get to temperature. They'll float right into place. Okay, now I've got to put a little bit of solder on R51, or I'm sorry, R50. It's missing solder. That's why it didn't reflow correctly. There we go. Perfect. It was hot enough that it the solder was still molten, and it reflowed right into place. Okay. I want to show you the size that we're dealing with when we're talking about size 0402. It's these sizes here, and they come in a strip. It looks like this, and you can see right here that's the size I've dealt with, and that's where they go right there. And this is the size of my finger. So, and you've probably seen all the crud under my fingernail and everything. Okay, now what we're going to do, I'm going to back off here a little bit, and I'm going to clean the board a little bit. All that solder has got to come off. Alright, let's see here. And we use 99.9% isopropyl alcohol. With a Q-tip. Okay, after we get most of it with a Q-tip, then we'll come back with a brush. Gently brush the alcohol on the board and clean it. Then we use a Chem wipe. It's a lint-free napkin and run over it to pick up the flux. And that should clean it pretty good. Okay, we got all of our components in place. You can see they're flat, pretty much flat on the board. They're not crooked like they were. That's the type of solder joint. Let's see, right there. That's what we'll look for, is flowing solder.